Video guide for replacing motor socket. Tool preparation before maintenance. 1. Corresponding replacement motor socket. 2. Electric soldering iron and 99% tin wire. 4. Flux 5 tweezer 6 screwdriver. 1. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the 6 screws at the bottom. 2. Pull out the 2 antennas on the board with tweezers. 3. Remove the 3 screws on the board. 4. Remove the front camera from the bottom shell. 5. After taking out the board, locate the socket position that needs to be replaced. You can remove the power cord connected to the upper shell for easier operation. 6. Set the temperature of the soldering iron to 380 degrees centigrade. Apply tin, and then continuously heat the socket hole for about 5 seconds. Knock the table with the hand holding the board to make the tin inside the hole fall off. 7. Note that there is a hole labeled G and D, which requires a higher temperature. If it cannot be knocked out, it is recommended to try multiple times. 8. After the 2 holes are connected, check if they are transparent. If they are, use tweezers to enlarge the holes to ensure smooth installation of the socket later. 9. Install the socket on the PCBA board, ensuring that the bottom fits perfectly. 10. Apply solder flux to the socket pins on the back of the board and then apply solder. Be careful not to let the solder connect the 2 pins during the soldering process. 11. Simply reinstall the disassembled parts in their original positions.